Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to wear multiple hair on Roblox. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just go ahead over to roblox.com. Now once you're in here, go ahead over to avatar, click on it. Now, in here, I'm just going to go ahead and remove my cap. Okay. Now once that's done, I'm going to go ahead over to head and body. Just going to hover my mouse onto it. Now I'm going to go ahead over to hair. Okay, click on it. Now, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select my base hair. Maybe this one. Okay, just wait for it. Here's the preview. Now, in order to add in another hair right here, all you have to do is just select one of the hairs from here. Okay, maybe this orange one, blonde spike hair. I'm going to right click on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy the link address. Okay, copy and go to advanced right here. Now, as you can see, we have the asset ID. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the second one and then Control V to paste. Hit on save. Save. Wait for the preview. As you can see, just tap away. And then here, as you can see, we now have two hairs. Now, to add another one, just do the same thing. Right click and copy, advanced, select a blank asset ID right here, right click and paste or Control V, hit on save. That is how you wear multiple hairs here in Roblox. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.